Hello everyone, come back with me. On this occasion I will discuss about large-scale snapper fishing, modern capture fisheries systems. Snapper is one type of fish caught by fishermen that has high economic value. The red snapper catching system can only be done using a trolley fishing gear because snapper is a fish at the bottom. With the help of modern technology, fishing boats can find out the location of a lot of snapper fishing. The first thing the fisherman does is lower the trolley net into the water, and the boat will pull the net for several hours. At the time of pulling the net, the ship will be maintained in a constant state so that fish can be caught. After the time comes, the net will be slowly lifted to the surface. The role of the towing machine is the mainstay of fishermen because it is more efficient than human labor. When the net containing fish reaches the surface, the workers will get ready on the ship's deck to open and insert the fish into the prepared place. The caught fish will be put into a box filled with ice and frozen to be sold to the market. In a day, each fishing boat can collect tens of tons of snapper in one catch. Maybe that's all our discussion in this video. Hopefully it will be useful, and see you in the next video.